Hello, I'm Beth Roy, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I wanted to come to you really quick and show you a tip. On my last video, we made this card, and I wanted to show you how to tuck in the glue dots. So if you have some bits and pieces that are not glued down exactly how you would like, or you feel it needs a little more support, when I made this card, I glued a lot of the ends, but I left the tops without glue. So one of the things you can do is you can take your pick tool and you use the piercing end, and I'm just going to grab some glue dots and I'm going to pick one up off my roll here. And so it's on the tip of my piercing tool, and I'm just going to tuck that in where I want it to go and hold my piece down a little bit more. So if you don't like all these pieces sticking up, you can take your glue dots on the tip of your piercing tool and tuck it right in to add some more support. So I noticed on my original card that this is sticking up, and I don't want that to get caught. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a glue dot here with my piercing tool, and I'm going to squish it a little bit, oops, so that it's a little balled up, and it will fit right here on that curved piece of my word, and then that'll hold it down. So that's when I mentioned that in the video, I talked about tucking in glue dots, and that's what I mean. I mean using your pick tool and just tucking in where you might need a little more support on your card. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick tip. I'll see you soon. Take care.